home, where my heart is full. Oh, where I don't feel away or cold. I see the color through their eyes. Joy of little things in life. I can't fight up in the sky. Joy of little things in life. Wondering why it all feels right. Waking up to tea in my bed. Wondering why no troubles inside. Everything's at ease instead. Wondering why time can fly, no matter how long it be. Wondering why we're in paradise, no other place so happy. I see the color through their eyes. Joy of little things in life. I can't fight up in the sky. Joy of little things in life.
The model is of solar water pump that is named. The three laws are combined here. Reynolds pressure law and Joule's heat law, and another thing is black body radiation. Because you already can see the container over here is made up of totally metal. As we know that metal is a good conductor of heat, so it will be absorbing a great amount of heat. So obviously solar water pump, the hidden word is here is solar, of course, that is related to sunlight, but as we are in a closed room, obviously we are in a lab, so here the replacement of that sunlight will be the bulbs. You can focus on that. The 4 bulbs are there almost. So that will generate the heat energy to the container, and by the time being, it will take some time, so by the time being it will get heated, and by that process, not absolute, partial suction will be created over there, and as we can know that according to the Reynolds pressure law, pressure is directly proportional to the temperature. So of course, as the heat will be coming up and increasing up, the pressure is applied, but we know it will increase. That is the first law of application. So that the suction will be created and the capillary lines of the water will be taken part. And that will be based upon the black body radiation as well. That black body radiation major amount of heat, and that suction will be created, and it will also radiate a more amount of heat energy or heat radiation. After the suction, the water will definitely come up to fill up that suction or the vacant area of void place. So the application of capillary rise is also there. So here is a model. So actually the maintenance cost for one model is actually delivering the idea of solar energy application as well. So of course at that time our idea was too small, and it will be generated or applied in case of any kitchen garden or small purposes, small agricultural. But if we are value or rated very big, so we have to think of the intensity value, the volume of the container, nature purpose or the quality of the nature, and obviously we have to take other factors so that we can do a big project out of that. So now our productivity is very small, and we can usually or smartly can handle any kind of kitchen garden, any kind of small agriculture field, water replacing that. It is good for us, it is good for the planet, and it is also the about the idea of the unconventional sources of energy, and very much eco-friendly.